Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Igam Rasala. So for today's video, we're going to make a channel review, or we're going to make an estimated YouTube revenue using Social Blade. So may nag-request kasi na i-feature ko daw si AJ's and me na magawa daw ako ng review. So nandito na tayo sa Social Blade and andito na tayo sa channel ng AJ's and me. So kung makikita nyo, meron siyang 238 upload video sa kanyang YouTube channel, and then merong 221,000 subscribers with a total video views of 11,455,625, and then yung country niya is Canada. Ayan, sa Canada. Then channel type niya is people. User created October 10, 2018. So I guess parang 2 years. May get more than. And then total grade sa Social Blade is letter B. Social Blade rank is 203,217. Subscriber rank is 114,456. Video views rank is 406,173, and then yung country rank niya is 1,860. So Canada to, guys. And then people rank is 17,064. So kung mapapansin niyo yung kanyang subscribers for the last 30 days, pula yung kanyang percentage. So meaning bumaba yung kanyang nakuhang subscriber nitong buwan. So meron siyang subscriber na nag-gain ng 13,000. So nakita ko dun sa baba kanina nung chinek ko is nasa 19,000 yung subscriber niya na-gain. I guess that was December 2020. So yung kanyang estimated monthly earning is $190 to $3,000. And then yung kanyang video views for the last 30 days is 758,300 something. So mababa din ito ng 23.1%. So parang nakita ko dun is 970,000 ganun. Basta nasa siya, close to 1 million yung kanyang video views. And then yung kanyang total subscriber weekly. So yung nakikita nyo yung graph niya is pataas and then pababa. Also yung kanyang estimated yearly earnings, meron siyang $2,300 to $36,400. And then yung kanyang total video views weekly is, yung graph is nag-up and down din. And so napapansin ko dito is maganda yung performance ng kanyang channel. So may times lang talaga na bumababa, tumataas yung ating video views, and of course yung kanyang subscribers. Ayan, hindi naman pare-parehas, may tumataas, bumababa. That's why yung kanyang percentage is pula. Ayan, pumupula yung kanyang percentage. So kwentahin natin yung kanyang estimated earnings. So meron siyang $190 times 48. Ayan, 48 kasi yung exchange rate here in Philippines. So meron siyang 9,120 pesos. And then $3,000 times 48. So meron siyang 144,000 pesos. Ayan, flat yan, flat. 144,000. And then kung meron siyang 2-3 doon sa kanyang yearly, $2,300 times 48. So meron siyang 110,400. So medyo malaki-laki na yung 36,000 yung pinakang maximum na earnings sa yearly. So jump tayo doon sa kanyang estimated earnings, yung kanyang summary. So kung makikita niyo dyan yung kanyang summary is makikita niyo yung date ng mga in-upload na video, ilan yung subscriber na nag-gain, and then total video views sa bawat video na in-upload, and then estimated earnings. So yung estimated earnings niya is not bad. Ayan. So kung nakikita dito is halos araw-araw meron siyang update sa kanyang YouTube channel. So inaabot din naman siya ng $100. And then daily average niya is meron siyang 434 na nadagdag na subscriber, or merong 434 na nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. And then merong 25,277 video views. And then ang estimated niya is $6 to $101 US dollars. Weekly average is 3,000 subscribers something, and then 176,939 video views. And then ang estimated niya is $44 to $708 weekly. And then itong last 30 days niya, so meron siyang 13 subscribers, and then 758,303 video views. And then ang estimated niya is $190 US dollars to $3,000 US dollars. So not bad. So kung maraming ganap sa kanyang YouTube channel, the more views, the more revenue, or the more earnings. So well, anyway, ito ay estimated earnings lang, at ginawa ko ang video na ito to inspire others, and meron din namang nag-request na para i-feature itong channel ni AJ's and me. Ayan, big shout out to them, and dun sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel ni AJ's and me, please subscribe to this channel. And of course to my channel Ikim Rosales also. Ayan. So this is only an estimated earnings, and yung mga views niya is nanggagaling sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Ayan. So pero I think majority nito is Philippines yung mga viewers. Pero kung ang mga viewers niyan is doon sa bansa nila or sa Canada, and then sa USA, sa Australia, doon sa mga bansa na may matataas na CPM, posibleng kitain nila yung or sobra pa dito sa estimated na ito. Ayan, kasi matataas ang CPM ito ay estimated lang kasi iba-iba yung mga source or mga viewers, source ng mga viewers. Lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, medyo or mababa talaga ang ano dito, ang CPM. Ang 1,000 views is equivalent to $1. And then kung 1,000 views na galing sa USA, medyo mataas yun, mga I think mga 5 US dollars. And then jump tayo sa kanyang monthly gain video views. So makikita natin December, ayan, 964,888 video views yung nakuha niya nung last December, kasi bumaba yung kanyang video views this month or January. So makikita nyo 700 something thousand lang. And then yung kanyang subscriber bumaba din. Ayun, from 19,000 nagbaba siya ng 13,000 subscribers. So that's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Ayan, bye bye and keep safe everyone.